Welcome to the Photoshop. Let's create a pattern overlay in Photoshop very easily. Click New and choose on size here, Photo. I'm going to choose this size here and create. Then after, go to the shapes and draw one shape like this. Triangle. Change color. This color. And now go to Window tab and click the shapes. And then choose one arrow. Drag and drop. Go to layers and make this the front. Go to shapes again. Change this color to the white. Ctrl T. Just put it like this. Now this is the same color as the background. Right click and click the rasterize layer and do same. Then after, just delete this. Select all, right click and merge the layers. Now to copy the layer again and go to select all. Go to filter others, then click the offset. You can choose offset like this. So set like this, click OK, then go to Edit tab and define pattern. Then set here triangle. OK. Then after File, New tab, and create again a new. And choose this and create option. And just duplicate this background layer, and then after go to this effects and pattern overlay and choose a pattern, this one, and can find on this and This is the pattern we have made. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like, then to share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.